I'm feeling so good. I'm so proud of my island. I'm so proud to be the Miss World Caribbean because I'm come from a little tiny island and it's just amazing. It's historical. It's the first time we reach this place in a international pageant and I'm so happy. I don't even know because right now everything changed. I'm Miss World Caribbean, so I have to work with Miss World, and I think I will just promote all the purpose of my sisters during this year. Oh, I love Hyderabad. I feel like home. It was really an amazing experience. I really have Hyderabad in my heart forever. And I just met someone come from my tiny island here. So I think Tanagada is and Hyderabad is really the place to be. I think it was the Shomahala Palace. It was amazing. I feel really that I was really impressed by the architecture. With a beauty with a purpose. My beauty with a purpose is my association Maison Lambou. Maison means home in French and Lambou means love in Creole, and it's about the break to break the stigma around mental health.